Hi, my name's Todd, and welcome to my dooryard. And this is my dooryard. And this just rolled into it. So let's have a look. Yeah, that's probably not good, huh? Can we see that in the camera? Let's get that. Oh yeah, that's not so hot. That's not so hot. Like this rusty screw here, that's awesome, huh? Got a vent window that ain't attached good. Missing a grill piece. Wow, that is built so fucking heavy duty. Hubcaps are good. Under the rockers are all pretty good. Some crazed paint. Oh, not sure what happened here. There's paint moved off and broken little piece of scrap. That kind of sucks. Oh, looks like it's starting a little bit right there. I'll get it in just the right light. Not sure if I can see it in the camera or not. But at least the top's good. That's an important thing. Oh my God. There we go. These things, maple flyers, maple seeds, they're everywhere. But inside's pretty good. She's got an odd odor. Not all that bad. Pretty good. All the interior stuff looks to be there. It's intact. Sounds pretty good. I'm not sure what happened here. Maybe some tree sap or something. Got quite a bit of cleaning that needs to be done. But at least it's got fair to middle and oil pressure. Oh yeah. The AM radio works. How cool is that? That doesn't feel like it's actually attached to anything. Alright. Let's see if we can get this hood opened. There we go. Oh, jeez. It's got the big 390 in it. Don't look. Looks meh. Any coolant showing? Yeah. Can't really tell. We'll top that up before we try and do a fire up, I think. Looks like a relatively new alternator. Fresh battery. This has been painted over. Get that come into focus maybe. Oh, there we go. It's got the windshield washer bag. Most of the hood liner is still in it. This is the cocksucker. This brake booster single circuit system like this, I understand, can be problematic. I know the taillights too. So the kind of cool thing here is I still get the original Ford Thunderbird keys. That's kind of cool. Oh, before we fire it up, let's take a look in here. And we got a 1965 Ford Thunderbird owner's manual. That's probably a good thing. Yeah, that's cool. Got a receipt for, I don't know, I'm guessing probably tires. Got a receipt for, oh, there's a new alternator. What was the price on that? $31.06 for a new alternator. From who? From a dealership in Northville, Michigan. Oh my God, I think I need to go there. See if they'll warranty work that if it's bad. That'd be awesome. Oh, that was from when? 90. This receipt here I just opened, what I seen was 91. What was the date on this one? 1991. December 30th. And this one's December 2nd of 91 for $76.85 for oil change. Wow. I think I need to go to that dealership. They got good prices. Alright, here's a receipt for something in 87. No refunds on electrical parts. Buy right auto supply. Looks like he bought a gym. This membership, $14.48. I'm not sure what that is supposed to say, but yeah. Oh, let's not dox this guy. Oh, like I just did, but we don't know who it is. His AAA membership for the T-Bird is another receipt for. We'll put it right side up. We'll probably tell better. Steel belted tires. $270. Wow, when was this? This had to be forever ago. He refused the hazard warranty work. Yeah. We ain't never getting a deal like that again, are we? This appears to be Detroit Automobile Insurance Exchange. And oh, come on, find it, see it, you can do it, I promise. Oh, there we go. There's another Ford dealership. Part for, the hell's that say? Ignition SW95. Maybe electrical tune-up. Yeah, 1134 though. It's pretty good price. And I got the previous registration. It looks like the last time it was on the road was in '04. So 20 years ago was the last time it was registered. Let's put all that back in there, keep it safe. Oh, I forgot to mention, in the back here, I've got a single ashtray for 2 seats. The kids are gonna fight over who gets to use the ashtray. Fucking kids. Alright, so let's see if this thing fires up. Well, that's pretty good. A little concerned about that. Oh, she's a little gallopy. She don't want to stay running. All right, let's try that again. Oh, there we go. Give her a little bit of throttle and it woke right up. We got oil pressure. No fuel. Of course, she's cold. Well, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's showing 41,167.5 miles. Oh, she won't stay idling though. It does have this kind of cool feature. Let me see if I can show this without... But donk! So this swing away wheel, and supposedly you're not supposed to be able to get it out of park when it's in that position. So it's a good safe way to make sure it stays there. And maybe we got a horn? Kind of. Maybe the other side? Negative. Alright. Like I said, most part of restoration is cleaning, so we probably ought to get cleaning, huh? I'll get you guys set up in a stand and we'll start giving it a go. Alright, I believe that's about as good as we're going to get for a camera angle for you guys. That closed nice, but let me get some dish soap up and running, some warm water, and all that yada yada. We'll start moving forward on this. Let me get some stuff ready, and we'll start work. Alright, I've been cleaning on this thing most of the afternoon here now. I did a lot of it off camera. It's got a lot of peculiarities going on, I'm thinking. There's this weird stuff in the paint. I think it might have been... I think this tree might have been under a pine tree for a while. I think it's pine sap. There's a big spot right there. That ain't good. But she ain't a beauty queen. She will be a pretty good driver, I got an idea, once I get her sorted. I did quite a bit of cleaning on the interior here. I got the outside, give her a good cursory wash. And got up some of the bright work here. Some of the bright work is awesome. Got the horn working better. I think it was just dirty contacts. Oh, the opera lights. I love those opera lights. Those are so cool. Yeah, that wing window over there, that's gonna be a bit of grief, I got an idea. But as we go, we'll get into it. And first thing I really need to get done is we need to get a shop manual so I can decipher and decode stuff. Here's the VIN and build plate. Come on, let's get this so we can see. See, somebody scrubbed all the paint off it. But I believe 63B is the body style, which should be two-door Landau coupe. B is the paint code. That should be midnight turquoise, I believe. G7, I'm not sure. 13F, I've got no idea. 33, nope, no idea. Maybe something, probably, but no, not knowing. Axle 1 is the 3.00 rear gears, and transmission 4 is the Cruise-O-Matic automatic. And yeah, there's some really bad scratches here on the trunk deck where it looks like somebody tried scrubbing these spots off, and they scrubbed her up pretty good. I spent quite a bit of time on this, although you'd never know it. Found an exhaust leak. And yeah, I think they're going to call that a night. And tomorrow, I'll try and put at least a few minutes in after work. Maybe I'll vacuum out these damn dead bees, huh? That'd be probably a good idea. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there. Yeah, and I gotta, essentially I cleaned all the driver's side in the interior. You know, gave everything some Windex and some spit it out, Todd. The hell's the name of that stuff? Johnson Wax Lemon Pledge. My father always swore by Lemon Pledge for doing interiors. And yeah, I think he's right. The stuff works great. And it's a lot cheaper than, you know, most of the other stuff on the market. Because I like it, they'll probably discontinue it. And there's lots of pine needles get picked out of the little nooks and crannies in this thing still. But that's it for tonight. And well, let's just do it this way. Here we go. Hey, look at that. So, like I said, that's probably going to be it for tonight. Let me put that wonderful T-bird in the background there. That's it for tonight. And yeah, I'll try and put some time into it every single day from here going forward until, well, probably until the snow's gone before it goes onto the road. But once that happens, we'll take it for a wrap. Have a good night.